Each question in exercise 2 consists of 3 parts. In the first part, you will be shown a pair of scenarios in the same way as you were for exercise 1. On the screen you will see a table. On the far left-hand side of this table, each of the 4 characteristics we are describing will be listed. There will then be a column titled Scenario A and a column titled Scenario B. In each of these columns we will describe, using the 4 characteristics, what has happened to the imaginary child after they have been treated for their surgical condition. In the example on the screen, the child in Scenario A had undergone 1 major planned operation, 1 minor planned operation, 6 major emergency operations, 6 minor emergency operations, and had been treated in hospital for 1 infection. Overall, they had a poor quality of life and only lived for 1 year after being diagnosed with their surgical condition. Characteristics that are the same in both scenarios will be shaded in grey. Once you have read the scenarios, please click on the scenario that you think describes the more successful result of the imaginary child's treatment. Once you have made your selection, please click on the Next button at the bottom of the screen. In the second part of the exercise, you will be shown 1 scenario alongside a list of changes you can make to the characteristics described in that scenario. Please click on the 3 characteristics you would change to improve the scenario. Select these characteristics in order of how important you think it is to change them. The first characteristic you select is the one you think it is most important to change. If you would like to alter your selection, please click the Clear Selection button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have chosen your 3 changes, please click the Next button at the bottom of the screen. In the third part of each question, you will again be shown a pair of scenarios. Please select which scenario you think describes the more successful result of the imaginary child's treatment. Once you have made your selection, please click on the Next button at the bottom of the screen.